Kabor Kapatisi TV. Kabul, kamasin kabalas nakarpang kabakhamskem, Kyntait, kamklan, batbaduna bam umpia.
Menteri Rangba ke Jelna ukon rakyat sama ulah Kyntait war ya ke Jingkam jong UMDC ke Tura constituency Bernard and Marak bakadan ke Jingtih Uranium Rilum Garo. Hak jengkran begilat pertai kubor. Usang ma uloong bakini ke Jingkam jong UMDC ke Tura kalong ke bamdan nongrem bat dawaru bau leban peniru ya kisaki kisabut bancu pentami ya kipat ba.
There is no any kind of activity or any kind of evidence or any kind of information that has to reflect that any kind of such activity is going on. Leaders in responsible positions should not just come out with statements just because they want to grab attention or maybe just make a statement. If it is the case, then definitely it's a matter of concern. And if it is so, let him come out with the details and the proof. And definitely, if there is any such problem that's happening, Government of Meghalaya will be the first one to act on it. I have made our position very clear that we are very firm that uranium mining should not take place. And there could be situations where some incidents could be there which may not have come to the notice of the government. So if there is, and if the evidence is there, and if information is there, then please give that to us and we'll be more than happy to act and take necessary action on it.
Pen riu squat ya kak tien la jong pen dam kam ya kabakan kiu kak tien khasi kak tien la jong ai kan roi kan pa balai phi ong gate habangi don la ka jong ka tien khasi kerdop lani phalor beli lani khang ya katuka phalor ni ju ya ong Saka weipan, kakten kasi kam juong banyak kiw yaw up, hinrengi kiw yaw tip. Tudayakan mau kendit ho. Lapan mi da kapatisi TV, nakabenta ka jingmentoy upat ba.